Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets. Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets.
Like, comment, subscribe, rock with your boy. Let's get it. How many of y'all know what a Wicker bill is? Wicker bill is a little plastic glass piece that goes on the back of the car. Helps with downforce as well as gives it a good look. So that's what we're doing today on this I think it's a 2020 or 2019. That's what we're doing today on this. Green, good to go. So you got to center this off of the camera, right? Make sure it's nice and centered. I'm gonna need some more tape because you also don't want it hitting the car on these ends right here, so let me put some more tape so I can mark the holes.
I need some new sweatpants.
Put that on there. Put that on there. Yes, sir. Your little pilot holes. Y'all ignore the loud children outside playing. This is another quick install that dealerships charge you an arm and leg to do for no reason. So mark your pilot hole. That's one hole. 2, 3. A lot of customers don't like to see this part where you have to drill these big ass holes into their car. They don't be feeling it. So I'm gonna make sure he he get his stuff and then bounce out.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Go ahead, let me see it.
You sure?
Yeah. Why not?
All right, sir.
Oh, wait, don't do it. Ah, damn. Oh, man, he just broke my car.
That's one hole, y'all. That's one hole. And he's losing his mind right now.
I didn't know how deep to go with it.
When it go through. When it go through. Yes, sir. One hole. Big ass holes you gotta drill in there to put the
Did
things.
it come with the screws and the stuff?
Yeah, it came with everything.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
So you got these little rib nuts right here, right? You take this tool, you put it in the hole, and then you crimp it, and then it makes like a little crimp mark, and it secures to the damn car. So, I'm zoom in so y'all can see that up close and personal. All right, so put that in there, just like this. Oh, hold on. That hole is messed up. All right. Push it in there. Take this right here. Oh, I forgot one major part. Hold on. I need to get my, where does my thing at? Wrench, right? I hold it with that, so that way it don't spin. Where the thing at? Let's see what size it is first. Is this the right size? Too big. See? And now that done crimped it in there, then you just gotta unscrew it. Take this, unscrew it like that. See? And then once you remove these, it's in there. Thing ain't coming out, and that's what you're gonna screw the bolt into.
Yeah. Yo, bro, I like this right here. Yeah. I could be the man, but I don't want to. You could be the baddest in the club and I won't want you. Never have regrets, those decisions can haunt you. Always go hard even if them niggas taunt you. I could be the man, but I don't want to. You could be the baddest in the club and I won't want you. Never have regrets, those decisions can haunt you. Always go hard even if them niggas taunt you. I could be the man. 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 I could be the man, but I say no. Here I go, another flow, another beat, but I don't know if I can hold or let it go. She been creeping on the low and she could stay, but on the flow. I'm just trying to reach my goal. I'm dismantling every foe on a campaign of greatness. Influence situations, got the baddest one waiting, and she is low maintenance. Look at them staring, all of these carrots went from a Kia to a McLaren. Niggas is glaring, I am not faring. I am in stitches, niggas is tearing. I just came out of the woodwork. She found out how my wood work. That's a problem to be solved. Y'all behind, I am evolved. I go harder, never been soft. Every verse is a new cough. That means I am the illest, but still healthier than all y'all. I could be the man, but I don't want to. You could be the baddest in the club and I won't want you. Never have regrets, those decisions can haunt you. Always go hard even if them niggas taunt you. I could be the man, but I don't want to. You could be the baddest in the club and I won't want you. Never have regrets, those decisions can haunt you. Always go hard even if them niggas taunt you. I could be the man. I could be the man. I could be the man. I could be the man.
Yes, sir. Ain't looking right.
I could be the
It's
man,
looking
but
right.
I choose not to be. I'm top choice and you option B.